blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Have you noticed that people only likes us when we give them what they want? And they start disliking us when we choose to be who we really wanted to be. Just like Jesus, He was so welcome when He healed the sick and when He started feeding the hungry and comforting those broken ones. And when Jesus did that, this is when the crowd loves Him. The crowd started to follow Him, praise Him, and even called Him a good man. But when Jesus started to speak about the truth and corrected what was wrong in their heart and challenged their false belief, the same crowd that followed Jesus became so quiet. Some started to doubt Him. Some started to turn against Him and walk away. You know, the same thing happens to people. People accept us when we agree and serve their desires. But when we start setting boundaries or walk in truth, this is when the resistance starts. Not because we are bad, but because we stop living for their approval. And if you finally seek truth, it makes people so uncomfortable because this is no longer beneficial for them. And when you become who God called you to be, this is when many of them will leave you. Many of them will misunderstand you, and many will oppose. But faithfulness is more important than pleasing people. In Galatians 1 verse 10, it is said, "If I were still trying to please people, I would not be a servant of Christ." So, dear brothers and sisters, here Paul makes it so clear that you cannot serve two masters. When our decisions are only shaped by fear and criticism, we slowly drift away from our obedience. But if we fix our heart on pleasing God, even difficult choices becomes an act of worship. Hope this helps, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.